Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: linked list class in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collection framework in Java. So coming to Java collections, it means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with a Java collection of objects. And this library is available, available to us in the form of java.util package. So in collections framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level interface or base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections framework. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. And fourth one, map collection. So here list, set, queue are sub interfaces for collection interface, whereas map interface, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. Now coming to Java collections, it is only for objects but not primitive data types, which means if we add any primitive data type data like integer, character, boolean, floating, internally it will be stored in the respective object type. Hence, Java collections, every data is an object itself. To be more precise, it is object class object format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of linked list class in Java collections framework. So first of all, this class is available in java.util package, and this class, it is inherited from Deque interface, and which is inherited from queue interface, and queue interface is inherited from collection interface and iterable interface. Similarly, it is also inherited from list interface, and list interface is inherited from collection, and collection is inherited from iterable interface. And this class is clonable and serializable. Both are inherited interfaces, and these two are marker interfaces. They does not have any members, data members or abstract methods. They just provide special functionality for our class. So clonable provides cloning mechanism for our class object, and serializable makes our class object participate in serialization and deserialization. Right, so if we see the description of the linked list class, deque and queue, and then list collection iterable. So go to the command prompt and issue the command java p-p java.util.linkedList. So linked list in util package, so it is inherited from list, and list is inherited from collection, and collection is inherited from iterable. And then it is also inherited from deque. Deque is inherited from queue, and queue is inherited from collection and iterable. And this class is clonable. We can use clone method to perform cloning of this particular linked list collection. Right. So it is clonable, and then it is also serializable. It can participate in serialization and deserialization process. Right. So now coming to some technical points related to the linked list class. So this class is a collection of objects as one-dimensional array. Its initial capacity is 10, and it provides indexes to the collection of objects, and these indexes will range from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till size -1. And this class accepts duplicate objects, and it preserves the order of objects. It means the same order in which objects are added, and using this class we can not only perform linked list operations but also stack operations, queue operations, and deque operations, which is double-ended queue operations. Okay, so coming to the constructors and methods. So these are some different methods which we are going to use from the linked list class. So in the description of the linked list class, java p-p java.util.linkedList. So this is a default constructor with initial capacity of 10. And then, right, so this is another constructor which takes collection as parameter. So other collection is converted into linked list collection. And then coming to the methods, get first element, get last element, remove first element, remove last element, add first element, add last element, and then contains any particular object or not, size, getting the size of a linked list, adding an object from the end, removing the first occurrence of an object from the linked list, and then clear, it will remove all the objects from the linked list. And then we also have clone. So clone, whose return type is object class, we have to downcast that into linked list class. It will create a duplicate linked list. Right, so these are some basic methods which are available in linked list class. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Linked list class example1.java. Right, so take a new page and then first write the comments. Program to demo linked list class with collection of objects, import java.util package, and then take the main class with main method and save the program in your working directory. And then create an object of linked list. LL is equals to new linked list. So initial default capacity is 10. Print linked list, no elements, size 0, is empty, true. So we'll execute till here. We'll put a command for the remaining cases. Right. So save this, come to the command prompt, and then compile the program. Linked list example1.java. No error, and then run it. So initially no elements, capacity, size is 0, is empty, true. Now let us put some elements into the linked list, collection of objects, and then again print linked list. So remaining elements, like we are going to add elements like add 10 Java string 1.5f floating value, true, and then a. So internally it will be converted into object class object type and stored into the linked list. Print linked list, size is empty. Save it, recompile, no error, and run it. So this is the 5 elements in the linked list. Size is 5, is empty, false. Right, so next we will say get first element, get last element. So the first element is 10 and the last element is a, order is preserved. Right, so save this, recompile, and run. So the first element is 10 and the last element is a. Next we'll say remove first, remove last. So first element 10, last element a is removed, and print linked list will have only 3 elements. Recompile and run. So 10 a. So these two are first elements, last elements deleted. After that we have only 3 elements. Java 1.5 true. Next, add first, add last. So adding first element again a 10 and adding again last element a. Print linked list. So save this, recompile, and run. So 10 Java 1.5 true a. So next, contains. So checking for the existence of a particular element in linked list and printing true false. So contains 10 true, contains 100 false. So recompile and run. So true, false. Next we'll try to add duplicate objects and then again print the linked list. So add duplicate object 10, accepted. Add Java language accepted. Print linked list, size is empty. Total 7 elements. Save and then recompile, no error, and run. So 10 it is added once again, first place and sixth place, and after that the seventh element is Java language. So the size is 7, is empty, false. Right, next we'll remove. So it will remove the first occurrence of the linked list element. So remove of object 10. So basically whenever we store any data in a collection, internally it will be stored in object class object format. So when we try to access, we have to perform downcasting, but here we want to remove 10. So 10 is an integer value, so we are representing that as object of 10. So it will remove the first occurrence of 10. Recompile and then run. So the first occurrence of 10 is deleted. After that directly we got Java 1.5. Right. So next we'll create a duplicate linked list using clone. So linked list dot clone will get a duplicate linked list in object format, convert that into linked list class format, and store that in duplicate LL of type linked list. So print duplicate linked list, size is empty, false. Save it, recompile and run. So this is a duplicate linked list with 6 elements. Size is 6, is empty, false. Next we'll say clear. So duplicate linked list dot clear. After that print linked list, size is empty, true. So save this, recompile and run. So now we have empty duplicate linked list, size is 0, is empty, true. So right guys, so this is how we are supposed to work with linked list class in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.